So before we start this video, there's one thing I have to say. This right here, this PCV valve, this is the dumbest place ever for Toyota Lexus to place this thing right here. Like seriously, I've been trying to remove this thing for weeks just to change the PCV valve. Nothing is working. So I've used this, and I try everything like these. I use like 3 of them. It's just not working. This one is good, but because of this part of the PCV valve is too short, and then if I use this one right here, then it's too long, and then I try to use this, then it would not fit. As you can see, this is flexible, all because this stupid intake manifold is right here, so it's just stick out, so it's just hitting right on top of the PCV valve right there. According to the manual, to remove the PCV valve, you have to remove the whole intake manifold. You know what? Why would you have to do that just to remove this, which is very simple? This is so stupid. Like this is something you can do in less than 2 minutes. Less than 2 minutes, just unscrew this and then put the new one in and put the hose back on. I just couldn't get it. I gave up. I even removed this a little bit. There's a bolt right here. You can just unscrew it and lift that up a little bit. That did not work at all. So as you can see, I use every tools we have here. First I purchased this, then I purchased that, and then I purchased this from Amazon, and then I purchased this one as well. It's just nothing freaking working. So if you guys know a special tool that you can use to remove this stupid thing, just let me know, because at this point this is dumb. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another video. I hope you guys are doing great, and today we have the last DIY on the channel on the IS350. As you can see here, the car is all stock. I mean, it's back to stock. The stock, I have brand new brake rotors and pads. As you can see here, I still have the axles up here. The car has brand new tires and brand new oil change as well. So maybe next month or so, I have to buy a car first, like a daily first, before I sell this car. The thing is, today we are going to clean the throttle patty. Now there's 2 ways to this. I'll show you guys. So what I have here is a Toyota throttle body cleaner, and you need some fresh clean towels. Shout out to Zoyo. Every time I buy oil from them for oil change, they send me some fresh clean towels. And you're gonna need your screwdriver and stuff and flathead. As you can see, I already removed all the plastic trims that are over there. And you kind of need these. This is a pedal depressor. It also comes with a flexible magnetic cover. It's like a pick tool, just in case you drop a bolt in there, you can just pick that up. As you can see here, this is how it works. You just pick a tool, not a tool, like a bolt or something. And this one, the main reason I bought this is because there's 2 ways to do this. Now the proper way, because this throttle pad is a drive-by wire, technically you're not supposed to force this open to clean it. I'll show you guys later what you have to do is turn the ignition on and then press the gas pedal with one of these, and then you can clean the throttle body, because if you don't do that, then you're gonna have to do some throttle body wheelings, something like that. And what you have to do, you can drive, take off for 30 to 50 miles, and then it'll just reset itself, wheeling itself. But I heard you can also turn the car on, put the car on drive, and then put the parking brake on, and then let take car sit there for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then it'll reset itself. But I didn't want to do all that. That's why I went and buy this. It's only like 28 bucks on Amazon. Now if you buy these together, it's like $37. But I'll put the link for this and the link for both of them as well. You can buy this by itself, or you can buy them together. And for this potty cleaner, I had this from Amazon for around $9. I'll put the link as well. And but if you go to a Lexus or Toyota dealer, you may probably pay 15 bucks for it. But I had this, and it came the next day for like probably about $9, so it should be fine. And the only thing I would say, it may take you about 10 to 15 minutes to clean this. While you turn the ignition, you're gonna use your battery, so I suggest that you charge your battery the night before, which I did with this. I'll put a link for this as well. That's pretty much what you have to do. Or if you have a jump start, you can do this as well. And talking about jump start, I have this right here. It's a DeWalt, so all my tools are DeWalt. They work great. This is a jump start. I'll put the link in the description as well. As you can see, you have USB, USB-C, and all that. So this is good to have on your car. All right, that being said, let's go ahead and remove the intake bags. As you can see here, the air intake is off, and this is the throttle body. As you can see, and around the edge in there, it's super dark. I don't know if you can see it, but it's all in the edge around here. So what people have been doing is just push that in like this, and technically you can, but technically you're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to do it the proper way. Like I said, you can just push that in and clean it, but I'm just gonna be, because this is a drive-by-wire throttle body, I'm just gonna use the pedal depressor. So once I turn this thing on, turn the ignition on. Now don't start the car, just turn the ignition on. I press the gas pedal with this should open right up, and that way I can just clean it. As you can see, the edge in there is super dark in here. Like, you won't see it here, but when you go all around it, there's a lot of residue in there. That's what we gonna clean. All right, so what you're going to do is you put this here like this. Make sure I don't know if you can see it down there, it's right in the middle. And then this part right here is gonna go against the seat, and then what you do is just pump it, and that way leave it like this for now. And then the next thing you do, don't start the car, just push the button twice, and you can start pumping this. And now the throttle body should be right open. Let's check it out. All right, even though I did this throttle body, still closed off for some reason. Yeah. All right, so the first attempt did not work, so let's put just once, and let's pump it again. Let's see if the throttle is open by now, and it's still not working. So here's the thing. I know that when you turn the ignition on, you put the car on accessory mode, you press the gas pedal, the throttle body should be open, like right open, but for this car it's just not working. I don't know if there's a specific way to do it for Lexus or Toyota. I don't know why, but it's just not working. So the main reason why I bought this pedal depressor is because I didn't want to go through like the rough hideout and thing, because the throttle body have to relearn, because there's a process for it. So now what I'm gonna do is disconnect the battery and then throw it manually, so that way it doesn't mess anything up. Like I said, there's a process to relearn the throttle body, but I just didn't want to go through this. But I'm just gonna do it that way. If the car start idling at like maybe 3000 RPM or so at start, I'll just do the whole thing and see what happened. So I disconnect the negative terminal of the battery. Now I can go ahead and manually push this. As you can see here, I put a rag down here. Now I'm not gonna go too off, so I'm just gonna use a clean towels and then spray it and clean all around here. Like I said, I didn't want to do it that way because this is a drive-by wire, but I think that if you disconnect the battery, you should be fine. And again, I highly recommend to use the Toyota throttle body cleaner. Now this may take a few minutes, so I'm just gonna spray here on the towel, and then just go around and push that, hold it, and start cleaning. As you can see here, this is dirty. I am all done with this. The throttle body is nice and clean. As you can see here, this is all from the throttle body. I actually used 2 rags, and I used this one at first. I use all 4 corners. As you can see, this one is dirtier. No, actually that one is dirtier. And then I use this corner and that corner right here, and then I use another rag to finish the process. Now what I'm going to do is put the intake back on, and then we should be all set. What I'm going to do now is put everything back on, all the plastic trim, and then we can start the car. Now, like I said, hopefully I don't have to do the Relearn process because I disconnected the battery. So hopefully I don't have to do that Relearn thing, but we'll see. let's see here. Let's see what the throttle body is doing. But it is also a cold start, so I'll just let the car run for a few minutes and see what happened after that. Alrighty, so as you guys saw, when I started up the car, the RPM was like kind of high, maybe because it was a cold start. So I let the car run for about 5 minutes, and then I went around and drive the car, and everything feels fine. So now let me just start it up again, and as you can see, this is where it's supposed to be, and it's perfectly fine. So as you can see, I'm all sweating because it's Florida and it's hot. It's about 92 degrees right now, and it's just now 12 o'clock. So this is how you clean the throttle body. I mean, anyone can clean that thing, but it's just the Relearn process. It's just, if you're gonna do this, just disconnect the battery. If not, then when you start the car up, you just kind of have to do that Relearn process, which is annoying, honestly. And for the thing that I bought, the pedal depressor, is just, when you turn the ignition on, you press on the gas, the throttle body should open, right? Because I've done this on my Honda before. I had someone press their gas and then clean the throttle body, and then the thing came right open. I don't know why on this car it's not like that. Maybe, I don't know, maybe Toyota and Lexus aren't the same. So anyways, this was the last DRI on the car. Like I said, if you know how to change the PCV valve, let me know. I'm not gonna make a video on that, but it's just, this is the stupidest thing ever, where they put this by the engine underneath of the intake manifold. Is just so stupid. I don't know why they choose this spot to put this thing on. And according to them, Lexus, to change this, you have to remove the whole damn thing, the whole damn intake manifold, and that's just stupid. All right guys, I hope you guys have a good day, good afternoon, good night, and I will see you guys on the next one.